I believe that might just be another swoop flight inbound from my hometown of Wyatt, Texas. That's Abbotsford. But first, here comes the KC-135. What's super cool about this year's air show is we've got not one, but two. We've got a whole flock of them. KC-135s sitting on the static ramp. After you see this bird fly, make sure you stop by the KC-135. In the refueling configuration, you will see the air refueling plume extended as it would be to refuel an aircraft mid-air. You'll also notice that the partial flaps are extended to allow the KC-135 to slow down. There you have it, folks, the KC-135 from our right. Wingspan on this aircraft, 130 feet, 10 inches, a length of 136 feet. It has a speed of 530 miles per hour at 30,000 feet, and can operate to as high as 50,000 feet. Now look out to your right again, folks, as the KC comes in from to your right again in a high-speed pass. This will be in the clean configuration. All the flaps, landing gear, and air refueling probe is retracted and stowed. And they're telling you they're going to be doing this flight past at about 250 knots. T-38 Talon, two-seats a twin-jet supersonic jet aircraft. T-38 remains in service as of 2019 in several Air Forces. United States Air Force.